Kilman's ball to Ait-Nouri. Coutinho allowed to continue. Did brilliantly. Ait-Nouri's ball deflected in, and Wolves lead already. A great start, a lovely team move. Big stroke of fortune about it. Ait-Nouri will take the congratulations. Wolves 1, Cadiz 0.
Positive start from Wolves, straight on the front foot.
See that defensive line of Wolves of 5 trying to protect the areas, but it will leave space in these kind of zones. That wasn't a bad ball in, and it's 1-1. And it may well have come off Totti. Dangerous delivery into the penalty area. The Wolves couldn't keep the Spanish side at bay. Ait-Nouri. Kilman. Podence. Managed to just about get away from his man, and now find Costa. Good save. The flag was up in the end, but it was a nice run from Diego Costa.
That rotation that Wolves have got has happened on quite a few occasions now.
Now Hodge. Switching the play nicely for Semedo. Dama Traore, Semedo getting through, and well, it was a half shot come cross really that didn't have anybody else inside the penalty area for him. His out-swinging corner. Coutinho's delivery, that's inviting, brilliant header, and Collins gets Wolves back in front. Lovely delivery in, was up there waiting for someone to power it home, and Nathan Collins gladly took up the invitation.
Fabulous ball in from Jaime Coutinho.
Costa, Podence, opened out for the shot, and a brilliant finish. Lovely taken goal. Sharp instincts of Daniel Podence make it Wolves 3, Cadiz 1.
That's what the little Portuguese maestro gives you.
Brian's delivery, headed away by Kilman. Come through, brilliant hit, Negredo, and somehow Cadiz haven't got a goal back. Alvaro Negredo. And Semedo. Still going. Bueno, good ball in, oh unlucky. Coutinho and Bueno stood over it. It's the youngster who assumes responsibility, comes through to Kilman, and Kilman takes a tumble, but referee waving away any protest. Didn't seem that vociferous for most of those players around him. The ball to Guedes, and Guedes might find room to shoot, and he did. I think it was more of a shot than a cross. It nearly turned into a good ball across the face of goal.
I think it's worked well. I think Wolves have always carried a bit of an attack when they play this shape.
Oh, that's risky. And possession given away. And a great effort, and it's a super goal for Ruben Alcaraz. Well, it's an absolute gift that Wolves should not have given to Cadiz. Overplaying in a defensive area, presented the ball on the edge of their own box and still had to be dispatched, and the half-time substitute did just that. Now Lembakisa. Guedes. That's a lovely ball. Hee Chan Hwang charging through. The South Korean with a chance, and it's somehow turned in. It's another own goal. Hee Chan Hwang will get the credit. Wolves restore their 2-goal advantage. delightful through ball from Gonzalo Guedes, and huge amount of work from that man, Hee Chan Hwang. Once again, thank our friends at Royal Caribbean for helping us to bring this coverage to you of these training games. You can book your 2023 cruise, royalcaribbean.com. Breno with a header away. Good curling effort, and it's another goal for Cadiz. They've scored some beauties this afternoon. May well turn out to be just a late consolation for the Spanish side. There's been plenty of entertainment on show, that's for sure.